Hi everyone. So in this video, I will talk about like something related to privacy rules. I already prepared a one bit intro video related to privacy policy, but in this video, I talk in detail like how exactly privacy policy works, privacy rules works, and what is the overall purpose of basically privacy rule. Because I see there is a lot of confusion related to privacy policy. So I thought, okay, let's create a video, short video, and like tell you. Okay, like whoever don't know what is privacy policy, uh, I just plug in the last video that I created on the privacy policy. I think I have created a couple of videos, one in Hindi, one in English, and yeah, I think that is basic. So just to summary, privacy rules is like something like you are telling you are telling the software to don't show like this part of the database to every user or like on depend upon condition. Let me just show you like where it is available. Just log in into my app. Just giving you a basic. So when you go in the data, that user, for example, in your case, the user is the table, and you don't want to expose email to everyone. Everyone include like for example, you are building a social media like Facebook, and you don't want to show email to the each user. So obviously, so like for example, I am your friend on the Facebook. You can't able to see my email ID on Facebook until unless I make a public. So that is the case. That is sort of the case. And one more thing, when you make a do search for, when you make a do search for like a database query, whatever the condition you put there, or if you put a no condition, no constraint on the do search for, your whole data will dump on your client side browser. Anyone can see like anything. For example, if I just go on this, put a button and click on this, do and make a do search for. Okay, sorry, not this. This thing, like something like repeating group. Do search for this one, and I don't put any condition constraint or something. My whole DB is dumped here. I use it or not it, my all the user will come here. So how you like protect it? One way of protecting it, like put a condition or add a new constraint whenever you are doing a do search for. Another and a good way of doing is a privacy policy. So like I already told you how to put a privacy policy. You go in that video and figure it out. So there is a condition here, like when current user, like current user as in when you fetch the data. For example, you are getting a list of list of users. So you will get a like a complete list of data, and list, each row means that row means that is a this user is current user or not. If I put this, so for example, there is a like user 1, user 2, user 5, and the current login user is user 2. So that only the second row, user 2 data will be visible. Yeah, because you have put a condition like something like this user is current user. So you are saying, okay, this user, user 2, this user as in user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5 is current user. So only the second condition is matched. User 2 is a current user, that is user 2. Yeah. So this is a privacy. And one more thing, private thing, if you are going confused and all, just think privacy rules as a like something just a add a constraint. That's it. So you are just putting add a constraint on the on the database search. So when a data leaves from the server, bubble server, it will just there is already a constraint is applied. Just think in a like that's the net side. Okay. Second use case is, for example, you have a table which have like a 28, 26 column. And when you make a do search for or any operation database search, it will fetch all the column. but I don't think you already always need that much of column, like 26, 28. So just put a like a privacy uh, rules setup and uncheck the fields. So for example, I'm just showing here. So for example, don't so as for example, if I check it out, create date, only my create date will be appear to everyone else. I am restricting like someone key. Okay, if you're matching like my condition, that is okay. You are able to see my whole the database, whole row, whole 26 column. But when you are not matching, you just I just want to show you only single. So I'm just taking a same case. I'm talking about the Facebook. So for example, you and me are friend on the Facebook. I can see your only name, uh, profile pic, and some other. So you just make a so Facebook in a nutshell. Facebook make a only name and profile pic as a checkbox. That's a check. Others are unchecked. That is the basic simple logic. I hope like you are able to understand what I'm trying to like told you about the privacy policy. I hope all your myth is going to crush. Thank you very much.